evacuate. This is not a drill. Evacuate. Our word mix solution for tonight. Let's have a look at those scores again. Beckett on 17. David is on 28. And we are moving into the final rounds of tonight's competition. That means our final letters game for tonight. And David, it's your choice of those final letters.
I'll start with a consonant, please, Lily.
Thank you, David. Let's start with a J.
And another?
R.
Another one, please.
T.
And again, please.
N.
A vowel, please, Lily.
U.
Another vowel.
A.
Another vowel, please.
E.
A consonant, please.
K.
And a final consonant, please, Lily.
And lucky last, S.
Thank you, Lily. Here's the clock. So those last letters for the night, David, how did they go for you?
A little better, Richard. 7 from me.
And for you, Beckett?
Exactly the same, 7.
7? What was your 7?
Tankers.
Tankers. And David?
Junkets.
Junkets. Those trips that none of us ever take.
No, that's right. Lovely 7s. Well played, both of you. Tankers, obviously, as in the large bulk carrier ships. And junkets, which is also a sweet custard. Wonderful 7s and the best that I could find as well.
Good work. So 7 for both Beckett and David. Those were our last letters. Let's have a look at our final numbers for the night. And Beckett, would you choose them for us, please?
Once again, I'd like 2 big and 4 small.
2 big and 4 small. Thank you. And our last numbers for today, 1, 5, 8 and 6. And the 2 large, 150. And the target to reach is 646.
Thank you, Lily. Head for that target. Now, Beckett, I saw you put your pen down halfway through that. Did that mean that you'd finished, or...?
And then I double-checked.
Yes, you've done a bit of a double check. So you think you got to the target?
I did.
Excellent. David?
I also got 646, Richard.
So 646 for both of you. Beckett, tell us your method first, please.
100 times 6.
100 by the 6 is 600.
Plus 50.
Add the 50 is 650.
Minus the 5.
Minus 5.
And then add the 1.
Add the 1 is 646.
Very nice. Well done. Very correct. David, was your method the same?
Just complicated it slightly at the end, Richard.
All right. Would you like to show us that variation just at the end there?
Sure. So I reached 650 the same way, Lily, and then...
Okay, let's put a line here and 650.
Yeah. 8 minus the 5 is 3.
8 minus 5 is 3.
Add the 1 is 4.
Add the 1 is 4.
And then subtract that from 650.
Right, okay, big bracket from there. Subtract that is 646.
646. Well done as well, David. So 10 points each for Beckett and David. Well, those last couple of rounds have been neck and neck scoring, but this is our final game where contestants try to beat the clock and unearth the 9-letter word. So let's reveal tonight's conundrum. And your time starts now. Very quick again, as you were last night, David. What do you think it is?
Hopefully microwave, Richard.
Microwave. Let's have a look and reveal the conundrum solution. Microwave. You are lightning fast with those conundrums, David. So that means that after the final round, the winner is David. Great effort. thank you also, Beckett, for a great game. There was actually some really tight, equal scoring in those last few
Yes.
rounds with both the letters and the numbers.
It was good.
Thank you very much for being with us, and we'd love you to have a Macquarie Dictionary, the 5th edition, to take away with you.
Excellent.
David, congratulations once again. You are our carryover champion. We'll be seeing you tomorrow night. You're really getting into the competition.
I'm just about running out of steam, I think, Richard.
Well, don't run out of steam until tomorrow. We look forward to seeing you once again. Oh, you never run out of steam, David, do you? You've always got something to say.
Always ready to go. And in fact, if viewers remember, they may not, but that wonderful round where David found contrived, the first 7 letters were an anagram of noticed, and the 8th letter was an R, which was an anagram of doctrine, which was a very exciting moment because really the 9th letter, there were so many possibilities for a 9. If you were considered, if it was an I, it was direction. If it was a U, it could be reduction or introduced. If it was an S, obviously doctrines. If it was an A, it could be redaction, or if it was an E, it could have been recondite. It was a V and contrived. Come the hour, come the man. It was a wonderful play.
It was a wonderful play, and you noticed all of that as well.
Yeah, well, you can't. That's my job.
That is a wonderful brain. It's lovely to have you with us, David. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And Lily, what did you think of tonight's show?
It's a really interesting one. We had some really tough letters and numbers selections, but also the 9, as David was saying, which is always wonderful when we have a 9. So I really enjoyed today.
It was a great one, wasn't it? Spectacular. We enjoyed your company. Please join us tomorrow night for more fun and concentration on letters and numbers at the usual time, 6 o'clock. Good night.